Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. This is going to be a really short rip. It's a blaster box at 2016 certified. There's 5 cards per pack. There's only 3 packs per box. In the background, I decided to display some of my lesser known cards that I haven't showed off a ton. I have this Wally Dallenbach from Prism, this Dick Burgeon from out of 99 from Absolute Ink, and then this Jamie Murray Optic Auto, and then this Bobby Allison out of 25 green from Torque. Yeah, I like these cards and I thought I would just show them off. Usually I show off Blaney, but I do have other stuff that I've pulled over the years, over the years, so I thought I would just, show those ones. So, I've talked way too much. Let's just get into this blaster. So, mem cards usually, they're silver mirror parallels. Those are to 99. I believe there's 1 per box, 1 per pack. I don't remember. So there are numbered cards in this product. You usually get just those mirror silvers of 99s. Like I said, it is going to be a fast rip. There's 3 packs. None of them are thick though, so we may have an autograph. So let's just see what 16 certified blaster has in store for us. For me, I say us, but me. Nicole Behar, rookie. Clint Boyer. Epic's Danica Patrick, that is the mirror silver out of 99. Morgan Shepherd and Bobby Allison. Alright, Immortals, Ned Jarrett. AJ Allmendinger. I don't usually do this, but I believe this is the auto. I'm going to set it aside. Josh Wise and Denny Hamlin. I don't usually do that, but there's only 3 packs, so unless all the numbered cards are backwards and I just got fooled, which is a possibility. Martin Truex Jr. Oh, there's the autograph. Okay, I wasn't fooled. So let's go back to this. AJ Allmendinger. I was fooled, I mean. The silver Clint Boyer. Okay. And then we have Cole Custer. Denny Hamlin. Kyle Busch. And that will lead us to our auto, which is a Matt Crafton out of 99. It's actually not bad. He's a Truck Series winner. That's actually not a bad auto. Not a bad auto at all. So we got the Matt Crafton. We got the Epic's Danica and the Boyer for the parallels. I guess are 1 per pack. And I guess they're backwards in every pack. So anyways, like I said, quick rip. If you like my content, please subscribe and comment and like, and let me know what you would like to see opened. And I do appreciate you watching. And as always, have a good one.